Hello everyone and welcome back to Old World Coins PK. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting and historic British coin, the 1983 £1 coin of the United Kingdom. Many people have this coin at home, often kept in old collections or received from relatives living abroad. The big question is whether this coin is only worth £1 or if it could be worth much more. In this video, we will explore its history, design, value, and the rare errors that can make it valuable for collectors. The 1983 £1 coin is very special because it was the first £1 coin ever issued in the United Kingdom. Before 1983, the UK used a £1 paper note, but it wore out quickly and needed frequent replacement. To solve this problem, the Royal Mint decided to introduce a coin that would last much longer. On April 21, 1983, the new £1 coin was officially released into circulation. This marked an important moment in British currency history, and since then the coin has become a favorite among collectors. When you look at the front of the coin, you will see the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. The inscription around her portrait reads, Elizabeth II DG Reg FD 1983. This Latin inscription means, Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. The portrait used on this coin was designed by Arnold Machin and is known as the second portrait of the Queen. It was used on British coins from 1968 to 1984 and is admired for its elegant and youthful appearance. On the back of the 1983 £1 coin, you will find the Royal Coat of Arms of the United Kingdom. This design is rich in symbolism and represents the unity and strength of the nation. The shield in the center combines the emblems of England, Scotland, and Ireland. On one side of the shield stands a lion, symbolizing England, and on the other side stands a unicorn, representing Scotland. Above the shield is the royal crown, which signifies the authority of the monarchy. Two famous Latin mottos also appear on the design, Dieu et mon droit, meaning, God and my right, and Honi soit qui mal y pense, which translates to, shame on him who thinks evil of it. These elements make the coin not just a piece of currency but also a small work of art filled with history and meaning. Another important feature of the coin is the edge inscription. The words, Decus et Tamen, are written along the edge, meaning, an ornament and a safeguard. Many people believe that if the edge inscription appears upside down, the coin is rare or valuable. However, this is a common misunderstanding. The edge lettering is applied before the coin is struck, so it can appear in either direction. Therefore, an upside-down inscription is completely normal and does not increase the coin's value. The 1983 £1 coin is made of nickel brass, giving it a golden color. It weighs 9.5 grams and has a diameter of 22.5 millimeters. More than 443 million coins were produced, which means that the coin is quite common. Because of this high mintage, most circulated examples are not very valuable and are usually worth only their face value or slightly more. In general, a circulated 1983 £1 coin is worth about £1 to £3, depending on its condition. If the coin is in better condition with clear details and minimal wear, it may sell for a small premium to collectors. Uncirculated coins, which show no signs of wear and retain their original shine, can be worth between £10 and £30. Proof coins, which were specially made for collectors with a mirror-like finish, can be worth £40 to £100 or more, especially if they are still in their original packaging from the Royal Mint. While most of these coins are common, some rare minting errors can significantly increase their value. Error coins are created when something goes wrong during the minting process, and collectors are often willing to pay high prices for these unusual pieces. One possible error is a misaligned strike, where the design appears off-center because the coin was not properly positioned during striking. The value of such a coin depends on the severity of the misalignment and can range from £50 to several £100s. Another type of error is a double strike, which occurs when the coin is struck more than once by the dies. This results in a blurred or doubled appearance of the design. Double-struck coins are rare and can be worth between £100 and £500 or even more if the error is clearly visible. A very rare and valuable error is the wrong planchet or off-metal strike. This happens when the coin is struck on a blank intended for a different denomination or made from a different metal. Such coins are extremely scarce and can be worth thousands of pounds, depending on their uniqueness and condition. Edge inscription errors can also add value to the coin. While the orientation of the lettering is not important, genuine errors such as missing letters, double inscriptions, or incorrect spacing are rare and desirable among collectors. Coins with these features can sell for hundreds or even thousands of pounds. Another important aspect to consider is the presence of counterfeit coins. The old round £1 coin became one of the most counterfeited coins in the United Kingdom, especially during the 1990s and early 2000s. It was estimated that a significant percentage of the coins in circulation were fake. To identify a genuine coin, you should check its weight, diameter, and overall quality. Authentic coins have sharp details, consistent color, and clear edge lettering. Counterfeit coins often appear poorly made, with blurred designs or incorrect dimensions. Using a digital scale and comparing the coin with a verified example can help ensure its authenticity. Although the round £1 coin was widely used for many years, it was officially withdrawn from circulation on October 15, 2017 and replaced by a new 12-sided design with enhanced security features. This means that the 1983 £1 coin is no longer legal tender in the United Kingdom. However, it still holds value for collectors and can sometimes be exchanged at banks in the UK. Collectors are particularly interested in coins that are in excellent condition. Coin grading plays a crucial role in determining value. Coins are typically graded on a scale ranging from poor to mint state. A coin that has been heavily circulated with visible wear will have little value, while a coin that remains in mint condition with no signs of handling can command a much higher price. Professional grading services such as PCGS and NGC can authenticate and grade coins, providing assurance to buyers and sellers. For those interested in selling their 1983 £1 coin, there are several options available. Coins can be sold to local coin dealers, at antique shops, through online marketplaces such as eBay, or at coin auctions. Before selling, it is advisable to research recent sales of similar coins to understand their market value. Keeping the coin in protective packaging and avoiding cleaning will help maintain its value. The 1983 £1 coin is also popular among collectors worldwide, including in Pakistan, India, the Middle East, and Europe. Many people acquire these coins through travel, currency exchange, or gifts from relatives living abroad. Because of its historical significance as the first £1 coin, it holds sentimental as well as collectible value. Proper storage is essential to preserve the condition of the coin. It is recommended to store coins in protective capsules or coin holders to prevent scratches and exposure to moisture. Handling coins with clean hands or gloves can also help avoid fingerprints and damage. Cleaning a coin is generally discouraged, as it can reduce its value by removing the natural patina that collectors appreciate. In summary, the 1983 £1 UK coin is an important piece of British numismatic history. While most examples are common and worth only a small premium over their face value, certain factors can significantly increase their worth. These include excellent condition, proof or uncirculated status, and the presence of genuine minting errors. By carefully examining your coin and understanding these factors, you may discover that it is more valuable than you initially thought. So, before you overlook any old coins in your collection, take a moment to examine them closely. You might just find a hidden treasure. Coin collecting is not only a rewarding hobby but also a way to connect with history and culture. Thank you for watching Old World Coins PK. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave a comment below and tell us if you own a 1983 £1 coin or any other interesting coins. Your support helps us continue bringing you informative and exciting content about coins from around the world. See you in the next video. Smiling face with smiling eyes.